Well, students, topic of the video is arithmetic progression or AP. In this video, we discuss formulas of arithmetic progression. In the next video, we discuss sums on it. What is AP? There is terms whose difference between every successive terms or consecutive terms is equal. Let first term be A, then second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D, fourth term is A plus 3D. Similarly, now you see that this one is first term, this one is second term, this one is third term, this one is fourth term. While fourth term, here 4 but here is 3. For the third term, here is 3 but here is 2. For second term, here is 2 and there is 1. So for nth term, A plus n minus 1 into D. There is n and there is n minus 1. So sum up to nth terms Sn equals to number of terms by 2 into first term plus last term, or that formula can be written as n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now here you see that this is n by 2, here a plus n minus 1 into d. That term is last term or nth term of the series. And d, here d means common difference. Or CD. This one equals to second term minus first term, third term minus second term, fourth term minus third term, and so on. So if three terms A, B, C are in AP, then B minus A equal to C minus B, or 2 into B equal A plus C, or B equal to A plus C by 2. Here B is arithmetic mean of A and C, and A and C are extremes. Now for the arithmetic means, if first term is A and last term is B and there is n arithmetic means, A1, A2 dot dot an arithmetic means, then B is n plus 2th term. Now there is another formula of APs, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot n equals to n by 2 into 1 plus n. 1 square, 2 square plus 3 square plus dot dot plus n square. This one is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. 1 cube plus 2 cube one cube, 2 cube plus 3 cube plus dot dot n cube. This one equals to n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. In the next part, if three terms are in AP, then terms are A minus D, A plus D. If four terms are in AP, then terms are A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. if 5 terms are in AP, then terms are A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. Now students, you see that here is first term is A minus D and common difference of them is D. Here common difference is 2D, but here common difference is D. While number of terms is odd, then common difference is D, and while number of term is even, then common difference is 2D. If T1, T2, T3 dot dot Tn are in AP with common difference D, then KT1, KT2, KT3 dot dot KTN are in AP with common difference KD. T1 by K, T2 by K, T3 by K dot dot Tn by K are in common difference, are within AP with common difference D by K, where K not equal to 0. And T1 plus minus K or T2 plus minus K or T3 plus minus K also are in AP with common difference D. This is all concepts on AP. In the next video on this topic, we discuss sums on AP.